In this video, I'm going to show you my personal strategy going over the Goblin Lair. Well, it's not an easy one if you don't have very good heroes, but I'll give you some tips and tricks actually how to proceed to the Goblin Lair. So I will just travel fast there since I'm not there actually. And I'll show you my personal strategy, and before we start, I'll give you some tips. Now currently I will do the 4th stage since my team power is not so strong. So yeah, let's directly just do the challenge, and I'll give you some tips about the heroes and what is good to have. Now I'll pick maybe this one. Okay, no, this is my main hero. Let's pick this one. Now first of all, you're going to need a lot of AoE damage heroes. All the goblins are going to come at 5, so all the heroes that is hitting 5 target on the maybe little more spread range is going to be a good one, like this hero. So if I check him, most of my heroes are like this one. They're going to do AoE damage, and this is very important. All your heroes is good to do AoE damage, and this hero in specific is going to do some AoE damage, launches 2 attack, blah blah blah. And the ultimate is jumps to the target area, dealing radiant damage to the enemy within the range. As you can see, the area is very big, so there is a big chance he catch 2, 3, 5 goblins when he jump, and I'm very happy with this hero. Also, the damage he do is pretty nice, 550% attack, and yeah, rest of my heroes is absolutely the same. If you don't have these heroes, I'm sure you have this one, Nutera, but he's a single target. She's a single target. Something I have to mention here is you can go with auto, but don't put auto on Nutera, just because the ultimate is charges to the enemy poison, dealing 60% blah blah blah. Killing the enemy within the skill will create a range explosion that is doing 300 plus 240% attack poison damage. This is very good poison damage, so there will be some heroes that their AoE damage, big AoE damage like this for example, which is Nutera, is going to be on the specific cases like this one when you kill the target. So you can also use this type of heroes just to make this poison explosion that is doing huge amount of damage. So when you press on auto, you're going to just give you some trick. Okay, let's just start. Let's start with the heroes. This is the heroes I actually have, or maybe some of the heroes I should change, but anyway, you can click over here. For example, this is my main hero. If I click like this, when I decide this hero is going to fire up, the rest of the heroes is going to continue doing their auto skill up. So yeah, right now we don't need our main hero to fire up. It's just because this is a couple of goblins. We are waiting for bigger wave of goblins like 5-1, and yeah, right now I'm going to use that, and we're going to hit 4 full HP goblins. This is great trade if you have some kind of AoE damage hero that's doing huge amount of damage. You don't want to kill a goblin that is close to be dead, and like this basically wasting your skill. So yeah, here is also a timing, so you have to have some timing. But yeah, with this team so far I managed to go to 25 seconds, but even if I do some kind of tricks, coding a hero spell to actually hit more and more targets, is still I'm not going to get much here, just because yeah, I just need to boost my heroes. And the way you can do it is actually going in your forge. Okay, go back in your forge and use gear to all of your heroes. This can happen when you go to the campaigning, and here you have a forge. From the forge you can have maybe level 1, level 2, maybe level 3, level 4, and from here you can just forge one item. Here you're going to have some numbers jumping, and you're going to get some gear that you can actually use this gear. And when you level up this gear, it will give you extra status, which is very nice. So far at the moment, since my heroes is not so powerful, I definitely will prefer using what status, like 25 attack, not like a 5% attack. I think this is going to bring bigger boost on your army. And of course leveling, but for leveling you have to do Goblin Lair. So yeah, I guess this will be for this short video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.